So 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 is there here. Okay. 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Ninth question. And now tell me, what is the slope of this line? Om? If ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, what is the slope of that line?
Sir, modulus of A and B is not equals to 0, sir.
That is the condition that a linear equation in two variables, the equation of straight line should be in this form. But I'm asking you the slope of this line.
The slope will be constant.
So generally, if I can change this in this formula, y is equal to mx plus c form. Means if I change this in y is equal to mx plus c form, means by will be equal to what? Minus ax minus c. Then after what I'll do, b I'll divide both sides. Then I will I'll get what? Y is equal to minus of a by b into x minus c by b. Here the slope is there na. This is the slope m. So slope of the line is what? What is the slope of the line now? Minus a by b. Got it?
Sir,
Now
sir,
tell me.
what you have written here? Sir, this one.
This one. Mine. See, I brought this minus ax and minus bx towards the right hand side. Means this minus ax plus ax is there na. I brought to the right hand side, and c I brought it to the right hand side. When I brought this right hand side, this becomes by becomes equal to what? Minus ax minus c. Then after what I did means b I divided both the sides, right hand side and left hand side. So b cancels here. Then y becomes equal to what? Minus a by b minus c by b. That's all I wrote here. Got it?
Sir, how you came to know that minus a by b is the slope?
M. See, compare with this. Y is equal to mx plus c. This is the slope y-intercept form of equation. Compare this. Then m is nothing but minus a by b or not? X coefficient is minus a by b. That means m is
Yes.
minus a by b.
And
Right?
minus c by b is 3.
See, that is y-intercept. But here for us required thing is slope zone. Since if two lines are parallel, then what will you say about their slopes? If two lines are parallel, their slopes are
Their slopes are equal.
equal. We have learned in the theory. So m1 is equal to what? What should I write? M1.
M cube.
No. Minus a by b. See, compare with the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Compare this with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a means 2, b means 3, c means 5. So m1 is equal to what then? What will you say? M1 minus
A by b.
minus a means 2 by
2 by 3.
now. Here kx plus 6y kx plus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0. That means m2 is equal to what?
Sir,
Can you
minus
say?
k by 6.
Minus k by 6.
Sir, now we can write that m1 is equals to m2
M2.
minus
As
2 by
the
3.
above lines are parallel, as the above lines are parallel. M1 is equal to M2. That means minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus k by 6. Minus minus cancels. So k is equal to how much then? 2 by 3 into 6. 3 ones are
3
3
2
twos are 2 twos are 4. K is equal to 4 is the
goes
answer.
to 4.
Which option?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Once can you tell all these things minus common plus common?
Minus common plus common means what? It's minus,
But
both sides
just
are
now
there.
you have cancelled the minus. How can you
Yes,
cancel?
both sides are, see. Whenever we have, see, whenever we have minus a is equal to minus b, then both sides we can multiply minus 1. Then it
Yes, sir.
becomes a is equal to b. Instead of that minus 1, what I'm doing means directly I'm cancelling. Directly we are cancelling this. This one and this one
If
is
both
cancelled.
side
We will
plus
get
is
plus.
there, then
Both side plus is there means a is equal to b only. There we don't need to do anything. But
we are
another thing is there, suppose there is minus a is equal to, what is a is equal to then?
sir,
A is
a is
equal to
equals
what?
to minus 2.
Minus 2. That's what. Minus is transpose
Minus
this
2,
side.
sir. Minus,
Yes, minus 2. Right? So for that, no need to worry. Means you need to practice
sir,
only.
your voice is not coming properly, sir.
See, maybe your network problem is there. One sec. Rakshit, my voice is coming properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, send the video. There you can check. You can follow the class. Okay, no problem. But you have to see the network connection. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, it's the slope of the line joining the points. Let me change that.
Sir, 1 minus 4, 3 by 4 minus 3 by
This
1
is x1, y1,
minus
right?
3.
This is x2, y2. Yes, 1 minus 4 is, yes, correct only. Very good. This is the option, right? Means, got it, Rakshit? 10th A.
Yes,
Slope of a
sir.
line, formula what? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Then, what should you write? 1 minus 4 divided by 4 minus 3. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3
Minus 3
divided
by
by
3.
1. Very good. Minus 3 by 1. Minus 3. So now Rakshit got this, Om got this. Very good.
Yes, sir.
The slope
The
of a
second
line
one also.
parallel to, yes,
Minus 2
very
by
good.
3, sir. Minus a by 1.
Minus 2. The slopes are equal now. Minus 2 by 3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Next, next one, what tell me?
The slope
Slope
of the
of line
line
perpendicular to. Now,
Sir,
first
0,
of all,
sir.
what is
Anything
first of
which
all,
is
m1 is
perpendicular
equal to what?
to.
Now, first of all, this slope what? No, not like that. Slope of this line.
Sir,
X. What
1
is the slope
minus
of this?
1 by 2, sir. Minus 1 by
Minus of
minus.
minus of 1 by minus 2. That is
Minus minus
plus
can.
1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2. Right? Now,
Yes, sir.
the product of their slopes. Suppose the required line slope is C1. Required line slope is M and Q. And the slope is 1 by 2. Product of their slope is minus 1. So M is equal to what then? 2 into minus 1, minus
Minus
2.
2.
So the answer we have to keep here is minus 2. Got it? Okay, na?
Sir, but tan 90 is equals to ND, sir. Not defined.
Tan 90 is not defined only, but we here no need na. Tan here product of it, this is x minus, see the line is like this, x minus 2y plus 5. Means x by 5, y by, so line will be like this is there. Another line is perpendicular to this. He is saying, what is the slope of this line? He is asking. This line slope he is asking. So product of their slopes here, this is m1, this is m2, means the product of their slopes is -1 if they are perpendicular to each other. Means. Got it? Eh?
Yes, sir.
So if the lines 2x minus 3y is equal to k is passes through the origin, then k is equal to what? Is passes through the origin. See, one line is there which is passes through the origin. Suppose I will draw a line. This line is passes through the origin. Okay, now he is saying that this line is 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus k is equal to 0. If it is passing through the origin, then it must satisfy this equation of the line must satisfy 0 comma 0 or not, as it passes through origin. Origin means 0 comma 0. So then it must satisfy 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 plus is equal to k. Okay, now 2 into 0 means 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So k is equal to what? 0. Got it?
Yes, sir. 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that's very important. Right?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, it is
it
very
is-
clumsy now, sir.
why?
Sir, can you number it, sir? Like,
Yes,
Number
sir.
it, yeah? Okay.
The pen is
Is it okay?
like this.
Okay. Now see. First one, A is which option? A1. A
sir.
is you
Minus
told
3, sir.
-3. A
Sir,
is
R.
R.
The
Okay, now
please erase
B
this.
is which one?
Sir, this one.
This one. Okay, clear. Now red color, blue color only I gave. B is what? B
Q.
is Q. B is Q. C.
C. This S G, sir.
T. C is T. And D.
D0.
D0, that is P. Okay, na? So this is
Sir,
there
S
in
is
that
the extra option.
extra option that is not matching to anything. Sometimes he will give extra options also. So got this now? Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me take here. So okay, the equation of the line joining the points am1 square plus 2am1 and am2 square plus 2am2. How will you do this? Which form of equation will keep? Once refer the 15 points. What he gave, tell me. The equation of straight line points he gave. How many points he
2
gave?
points he gave, sir. 2-point equation.
Now 2 points form of the equation. Tell me where is the 2 points form of the equation? In this, I wrote 2 points form of equation. Where is this? Here, there 2 points form of equation. Which equation will keep? Yes. Can I underline? Yes, that one. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, right?
Yes.
Got it? Very good. Now, this one only, you write this
Sir,
x1, y1. Huh?
sir, these points we have to by heart, sir.
Huh? You have to remember all the formulas. Without formulas, you cannot. That 15 formulas you have to remember at any cost. Got it?
Okay.
Without remembering formulas, that's why in Narayana school there will be a CDF exams. Only formulas only they will give. So formulas means they are giving CDF exam means they must get out of formulas. Okay, na? So I'll also keep
Okay.
the type of test. So see now y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to what? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole into x minus x1. This is the formula. Got it? This formula
Yes.
we have to apply. Now, if I'll apply this formula, then what will I get? Now put that formula now. Y minus
2am1 minus 2am2.
is equal to y2 minus y1, 2am2 divided by am2 square minus am1 square. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole into x minus x1,
am square.
am1 square.
am1.
Okay, na? So here y minus 2am1 is equal to 2a you take common here, m2 minus m1, a you take common, m2 minus m1 whole into m2 plus m1, the whole into x minus am1 square. Yes,
Sir,
a square
this is
minus b square formula I kept. Understood, Rakshit? Yes,
sir,
very
this
good. This
one
is
term
cancelled.
will cancel.
Yes, m2 minus m1 by this is cancelled. So what will you get now? This m2 plus
m2
m1
plus
is there,
m1
na?
2a.
Take to the
a
right hand
also.
side. A also cancel. Cancel it. Yes, very good. So y minus 2am1 whole
No,
into
sir,
what
a
should I write?
cancel.
Cancel. No, right hand side, left hand side. What is there? Is here nothing cancelled. This one is there now. M2 plus M1. I will transpose to the right hand side. Okay, na?
Okay,
This
sir.
one I will transpose to the. This is left.
Left hand.
So you cancel this both. A also you cancel. Left what? This is left. I will take to the right hand
Yes.
side. Then what I will get? Then what I
m2
will get? M2 plus M1 I have to write here. M2 plus M1.
is equal
Then in numerator what left? A into M2 minus M1 cancel 2.
to 2.
2 you have to write. 2. 2 I will multiply. 2x minus 2am2 square. Okay, na? Now I'll take everything to the right hand side. 2x minus m1 plus m2 into y. Then add this minus 2am2 square plus 2a m1 m2 plus 2a m1 am1 square. 2a m1 square. So 2a m1 square this. And it cancels here. This is am1 square, na? I'm so sorry, I wrote here. This is am1 square. Minus 2am1 square plus 2am1 square cancels. Is equal to 0. Okay, na? So what is the equation now? At last you will get 2x minus m1 plus m2 whole into y plus
Is equals to
2a m1 m2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the straight line. Got it, Rakshit? Which option is correct now? Second option, right?
Okay, sir.
So are you able to follow? Rakshit? Now 12th question. See. The
Sir?
area of the triangle.
Is there any trick to remember that 12 formula?
No, you have to remember that. There is only one trick. You have to practice more. That's it.
Sir, I am
So-
not asking. Who is asking?
But that only. Home only. For everybody, I'm saying that. There is no trick. Only thing is you have to practice more. So there is no substitution of practice. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
But your question is good. Is there any trick? Tricks are there. Yeah, means if you keep on practicing, means more and more tricks you can discover. That means if you want to get the tricks now, you have to involve more time in studies, more and more time, and do the work regularly. That is the only trick.
okay, sir.
It's a good question only actually. So every time our Om try to get the tricks every time. Okay, see, x is 4. See, x intercept is 4. See, here this is x intercept na? Yes or no? In graph, how it will look like? This is 4 units it is intersecting. And y is 6. Now it is intersecting at 6. So let me draw a straight line which is passing through the 2 points. Okay, na? So generally the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. Okay. Now, so the equation of the line, what he gave? X by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Okay, na? Now, with the coordinate axis, what is the area? He is asking. Coordinate axis means this is x-axis, x, O, x dash. Yeah, very good. Correct. That area only is asking. Y, O, y dash. Suppose I'll keep this A, this point is B, then area of triangle OAB is asking. Tell me what is the area of the triangle?
X1 into y2 minus y3 into x2
No,
into
no. So now normally any triangle is there. What is the area of the triangle? Can you tell me?
half
Normally any
base into
triangle is
height.
there. Half base into height. Now tell me what is the base and what is the altitude there?
Base is 4 and height is 6.
Then what is the area then?
4 3 the 12.
So generally this you'll consider is, yes, you got it. So area of the triangle is half base into height, right? Now here here already x-intercept is 4. That means this is 4. This is 6. What is the area of the triangle then? Area of triangle OAB.
Sir, half 4 into 6. 2 3s are 6. Then 4 3s are
Half
12.
4 into 6, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Another thing, suppose the equation of the line, one point you have to remember this also. This point means formula. If x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is given, intercept form of the equation. The area, the area made with the coordinate axis, the area made with coordinate axis. This point I gave in 15 points. Half mode AB. Okay, na? Another thing is there. That only if he'll give you in this one, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So the area of area of triangle made with coordinate axis, that is c c mode of c square by 2ab. Okay, na? Got it? Directly we can pick this formula. Got it, Aum?
Yes, sir.
How you can say? If you ask how, ax plus by is equal to minus c. Then what you will do? Minus c, you will divide both sides. You to
Sir,
change it in the form of intersect form. Minus c by
this
a, you will
line
write
AB, sir.
minus c by b, 1. So area of the triangle is what? Half into modulus of minus c by a into minus c by b. Then you will get c square by 2ab. Okay, na?
Sir,
Got it?
hello,
What,
sir.
Om? Ah,
Sir, modulus of AB means this AB.
no, always the modulus means what? Na? Always you have to keep this value in positive. And
Okay.
AB means C. This one is there, na? This is A, this is B. Okay, 6 is B. So modulus of AB, area of triangle, directly half into 4 into 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are, so 2 6s are 12. Directly we'll get the area of the triangle is 12 square units. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That's the concept.
But we can have like this, sir. Area of triangle base into height.
Yes, base into height. That's why I'm saying analytically also as I'm saying. Na. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
So let's do the next 13th and 14th question I did here. Okay, let me paste this. Got it? Sorry. I want to clear all annotations. Yeah. Now, now go through the question once. What is the question here? The equation of the straight line whose slope is
Well, slope he gave. Point
slope
he
means
gave.
what he gave? Point he gave, but point he gave indirectly. See, by means intercept form of equation you have to keep and you have to get it. So slope is means here he gave m, and point he gave indirectly. The equation of the straight line which divides this in the ratio m is to n. Now point here, so you have to find out the required point. Now slope is equal to given slope, directly I'll write m is equal to 2 by 3, no problem. Now the required point